I want that snake in here. That one them I can't reach that one day. A three of them.
Put me back over. Boom shakalaka. There guys, I see if we can look some aki, you know. I see if we can go all the vibes of Shika people them later. Yeah. So just go and do it right, you know. Remember, you know, Jamaica nice, you know. And you can jump on anybody tree. Just ask Christian. And I like a foreigner there, you know, so everything you have to go buy. You see me? See we have breadfruit there. Aki, plum. Just ask Christian and go up on tree, man. So just so go on all our vibes, just so breadfruit, saltfish, aki, yeah. And don't know where badness go, so watch the video. Remember, you know, guys, like, share and subscribe, you know. She can Eric Badness. I'm out. Man.
Kishika. Mwah. Mwah. Kiss auntie again. Mwah.
You can't face them right.
Where's a Bree?
What's that sound?
Huh?
It's a bird.
It's a patu. Patu.
Patu.
Yeah, look on the light post, you see him. Look on the light post.
Bree,
Hmm?
what's your name?
My name is River.
What's your name?
River.
Hmm?
In the car.
What is your name?
I want to go.
Bill.
Yes, guys, so we're there. I don't know. I can't salvage, man. Why I would say I can
Country style, country cooking. Go away, baby. Cooking. Yeah, man, see that we have to cook some nice national dish. For everybody can eat. Wash off the seasoning then. Alright.
yeah, so yeah, prep up your season, you know.
Cut up some tomato.
What's your name? Buy new teeth.
Show them more ground and
See what I want the people. Okay. Saltfish. What? Saltfish. Yeah. So stick and tune here, people. Onion. Don't forget to no onion. Coffee hot. Hot daddy. Yeah, people, so, you know, we have a small one then there, Brie Iggy. I have right over there, so yeah, me look at general, so everybody there on the ground. Yeah. Chef Shaker. So guys, when I look at me about them, come and ask the ketchup. They know say chef they out in a man, don't forget to most well, Latino.
Before me have to cook
Putting the paper. See a black pepper on your salt.
Yeah, man, you see. Salt.
Black pepper. So guys, okay, I go in now. So no do it, you know. Do it in Jamaica, you know.
How was the journey?
Yeah, people, breadfruit appeal, you know. Don't know a great Rye, Thomas, Rye, one Rye. Then see what kind of breadfruit. Yellow water. So that the man that peel breadfruit in a fire still in a breadfruit now guys, watch it. Be a fire come out of that. Be a steam. Oh my god. See what I'm going for your kid there. Oh, okay, selfish. The people see it then, my breadfruit appeal.
Hey, come back. Take out in me never remember.
Yeah, pig.
Guys, look what I'm going to like.
7 plates.
See that?
Trouble.
It's nice.
See?
Yeah, man, you can go, man. Alright, we have share food and then we're gonna see what one.
Alright.
Want a food? Journey, stop eat food.
Alright, go on there, guys. One shika.
One shika badly, chef on them.
What do you mean?
One chef shika. Never go. Alright. Yeah. Best thing I feel like feed the people them, you know. I make you can't put me to cook food.
What do you mean? Big up yourself, shit.
Mommy. Kada badly.
I have fit in there and I make you get up, you know.
Where food are gone?
I go on. No, you're on the night, you're on.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
So you say that good?
Wow.
Where food are gone right?
I don't know.
Tell me where food are gone right.
Why not
Where food are gone?
TSX, man?
Where food are gone? Nice? Where food taste, Iggy? Iggy, where food taste? Eh?
Busy eating.
That means they're sweet, yeah. Where's Abri?
Yes.
Where food taste?
Mom.
Actually, you never eat none, boy.
So you never come.
Where food taste?
It is Mama. You come. I wanna be the one.
Journey, yeah, Jokoto? Who are you? What's your name? You're Jokoto.
My name is Ika.
Huh?
My name is Ika.
Your name is?
Ika.
Your name is not Shika. I am Shika.
Phone.
That's a phone. What's your name?
Baby.
What's your name? What's your name? Where on that thief? Put on my juice.
No.
Put down my juice.
No.
Put on my juice. Put it on. Put on my juice. Put on my juice, criminal. Put it on. Thief! I'm gonna call the police on you. I'm gonna call the police. You stole my juice. Give me my juice. Tell me how.